Good morning, students. I hope you all will be fine. I welcome you all to the science video section. Now we are going to see about 7th standard science unit 1 measurement. Okay, unit 1 measurement. Introduction. How are you various articles and materials shown in the picture measured? Okay. Vegetables, weighted for vegetables in kg. How to measure the cloth? Meter. Volume of liquid is measured in liter. Time duration is second. So you fill up this table column. Vegetables, which kilogram. Vegetables, kilogram. Cloth, meter is correct. Milk, liter. Milk is a liter. L-I-T-R-E. Liter. Time, second. Okay. This. Now let us move on to the topic. What is measurement? The comparison of unknown quantities with some known quantities is known as a measurement. What is a measurement? The comparison of an unknown quantities with some known quantities is known as a measurement. It's basic one. Okay. Now it has two expressions. One is number and another one is unit. First, let us see about in day-to-day life, we measure many things such as weight of fruits, vegetables, food grains, volume of liquids, temperature of the body, speed of the vehicles, etc. Already you know that quantities such as mass, weight, distance, temperature, volume are called physical quantities. These are called physical quantities. Okay. Next, a value and a unit are used to express the magnitude of physical quantities. For example, Suresh walks 2 kilometers. Suresh walks 2 kilometers every day. In this example, 2 is the value. 2 is the value or number. Okay, value or number. And kilometer is the unit. Okay, kilometer is the unit. Used to express the magnitude of distance, which is a physical quantity. Okay, 2 is a number or value. Kilometer is a unit. Next, we will see about types of physical quantities. Okay, physical quantities are classified into two types. First one is fundamental quantities and second one is derived quantities. Okay, let us see fundamental quantities. What is a fundamental quantities? The physical quantities which do not depend on any other quantities for their measurement are known as a fundamental quantities. This one is also correct. A set of physical quantities which cannot be expressed in terms of any other quantities are known as a fundamental quantities. Their corresponding units are called fundamental units. Okay. Let us see. There are 7 fundamental physical quantities in SI units. SI units is defined system of international units. Okay, system of international unit is a SI unit. Okay, number of fundamental basic fundamental quantities. This one is a fundamental units. First, let us see length. Length fundamental unit is meter, small m. Okay, mass, for mass fundamental unit kilogram. For time, fundamental unit is second, S. Temperature, Kelvin, K. Electric current, ampere, capital A. Amount of substance, mole, M-O-L, mole. Luminous intensity, light. Okay, candela, CD, அப்படி சொல்லுவாங்க. Okay, this all kinds of 7 is a fundamental quantity and a fundamental unit is a asking 1 mark questions. Okay, 1 mark question. So you by got the units. Okay, length is a meter, mass kilogram, time second, temperature Kelvin, electric current ampere, amount of substance mole, and luminous intensity candela. Next we will see about derived quantities. What is a derived quantities? Those quantities which are dependent on fundamental quantities are known as a derived quantities. Okay, those quantities which are dependent on fundamental quantities are known as a derived quantities. Let's see each one by one. Okay, this formulas for asking to one more question. This questions also very important. Some of the derived quantities and their units in SI system of units. Okay, derived quantities, these units. Okay, first let us see area. Area is equal to length into breadth. So unit length meter and breadth also meter. M into M is equal to square meter or meter square. Next one is volume. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Meter into meter into meter. Cube meter or meter cube. Next, speed. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. Distance is meter, time is represent second. Upper M divided by S or ms meter second minus 1. Inverse 1. Electric charge is equal to electric current into time. Upper electric charge, electric current is ampere. A capital A in multiply time second. A into S is equal to AS or coulomb. Next one is density. Density is equal to mass divided by volume. Mass is kilogram, volume is meter cube. Upper kilogram divided by meter cube or kilogram meter inverse minus 3. Okay, this is very important one you by got. Okay, I will ask some questions related to this table column. Next, let us see area. The area is a measure of how much space there is on a flat surface. Flat surface la evlo area present ஆயிருக்கு. The area of the plot of land is derived by multiplying the length and breadth. இது multiple பண்ணோம். Area is equal to length multiple breadth. The unit of the area is equal to length meter into breadth meter. Meter into meter. Meter square. Meter square. I read as square meter. Read as square meter nu read பண்ணனும். Okay வா? This one is a unit. Area is equal to length into breadth. Problem 1.1. Some area of the square related to the area of square. What is the area of a 10 squares, each of side of 1 meter? Okay, first you will learn about this table column. Area of some regularly shaped figures. Okay, plan figures, diagram of figures, area, square. A into A, side by side. Side multiply side. A into A is equal to A squared. Area of rectangle, length into breadth. L into B is equal to LB. Area of the circle, radius. Okay, this one is a middle point, radius, or you represent R. Okay, by into radius squared, by into R squared, by R squared. Okay, area of circle is by R squared. Area of triangle, base into height. Base into height. Okay, of base into height, of into base into height, of into base into height, B into H. Okay, area of square is equal to side into side, A into A is equal to A squared. Area of rectangle, length into breadth, L into B is equal to LB. Area of circle, by into radius squared, by into R squared, by R squared. Area of triangle, half into base into H, half into B into H. Okay, next we will move on to the problem. What is the area of a 10 square? 10 square கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Each of the side of 1 meter. Okay, area of square formula, side into side. Side is represent 1 meter. 1 meter into 1 meter. 1 meter squared, or 1 square meter, or 1 square meter. Okay, 1 square meter. Next, area of 10 squares. This one is area of square 1 meter. This one is area 10 square is equal to 1 square meter in multiply 10. 10 square meter. Even though the area is given in square meter, the surface need not to be square in shape. Okay. Next, let us see area of regularly shaped figures. The area of regularly shaped figures can be calculated using the relevant formulas in the table 1.2. The formula used to calculate the area of certain regularly shaped figures are given. Problem 1.2. Find the area of the following regular shaped figures. Take by's value 22/7. Okay, first a rectangle whose length is 12 meter and breadth length is 12 meter and breadth is 4 meter. A circle whose radius 7 meter. Okay, you will find out. A triangle whose base is 6 meter and height is 8 meter. Solution. First, let us see area of rectangle. You see the formula. Area of rectangle equal to length in multiply breadth. Length into breadth. Already you know that is given that 12 meter. 12 into 4. Breadth 4 meter. 12 into 4. Multiply 48 square meter. 48 square meter. Area of the rectangle is 48 square meter. Area of circle. Formula area of circle is equal to pi r squared. By order constant value 22 divided by 7. Upper pi r square is equal to 22/7 into r. Radius value is 7 meter. 7 at r square, so 7 into 7. So you multiply this value, you will find out the 154 meter square meter. 154 square meter. Next, area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. This value is substituting the value. Up half into base value is 6 meter and height value is 8 meter. Up 6 into 8. Half multiply 6 into 8. You will find out the value 24 square meter. So, area of the rectangle, length into breadth, area of the circle, pi r square, area of the rectangle, half into base into height. Next, let us see area of irregularly shaped figures. Okay, what is irregularly shaped? It means it does not have any shapes or matter that we are responsible or negligible. Okay, the area of such irregularly shaped figure cannot be calculated using any formula. Okay, how can we find the area of the irregularly shaped object? We can find the area of this figure with the help of graph sheet. With the help of graph sheet. Okay, the following activity shows how to find the area of irregularly shaped plans figure. The graphical method explained above can be used to find the area of regularly shaped figures also. In this case, square and rectangle, this method gives the area accurately. In this topic is over. Next video I will send you later. Thank you.